Okay, so this is little Sandy. She's 9 weeks old. Hopefully she's going to stay small. I got her because we hope to take off and do the ICW, maybe hopefully the whole Great Loop later this year. But yeah, she's a puppy, and we got her so I could potty train her to go on the boat since we're not going to be on land every night. Anyway, it's her bedtime, as mine too. Excuse the appearance. And anyway, I just wanted to show you that, and I'll show you what it looks like when a dog has Zoomies on the sailboat. All right. Anyway, stay tuned. Well, you just knocked it over, sweetie. I just called you sweetie, and that's how you're going to respond? Okay, well, let's fill that water up for you, honey. Oh, I love you so much. All right, so there you have it. Another beautiful day on the water with my new first mate, Sandy. Okay, tomorrow we're going to talk about tankless water heaters. Trying to get the boat all ready to go on the Great Loop trip, so hang with us. Talk to you tomorrow.